Yeah, you're welcome to this tutorial. I want to take us on some attributes to the hatchery. Now, you will hear so many persons say when you consistently use female fish to hatch, that the fishes that it will hatch will not grow. Well, I want to say it is a wrong ideology. Now let's take for example a chubby family, a man and a woman that are chubby. So let's say chubby couples give birth to first child, second child, third child, and these couples are huge. They are tall. Now, would you say these children, or the third or the fourth child or the fifth child, will not grow? They will become dwarf because the woman has given birth severally? No, that is wrong. The children will keep growing. If the woman has a skinny body shape and the man is chubby, they will still get children that will grow taller and also will have chubby. It is either some will have the body type of the husband or the body type of the wife. So that is also how it is in fish. Now, when you use bigger fishes to hatch, that is why I say don't use below 2 kilograms of female. The only way it will affect is you, the breeder, who is hatching the fish. If you use your female over 3 times, you will see that at the 4th time when you use the female, the eggs will not hatch very well because the system is weak. The eggs will not hatch very well. Anyone that hatch, it will never affect the growth of the fish as long as the fish is a big fish. You use either a smaller female and a big male, or a smaller male and a big female. The only way it will affect is not the growth, but the hatchability, the percentage of hatchability. So it will only affect the percentage of hatchability. When the fish is hatched, it doesn't affect the growth. So don't mind anybody that will say it is because they have used this female so much, that is why fishes don't grow. No, fishes don't grow. 1, because it is not being fed well. 2, because they don't have enough space. 3, it may be the last set of the fingerlings, which maybe you have sold and the last set of it. The way you know the last set of any fish is when it has gotten to 6 weeks. 6 weeks and a particular set is not yet standard fingerlings, when you have handled them very well. When they have gotten to 6 weeks and a particular set is not yet up to fingerlings, not even standard fingerlings, not up to fingerlings. So that is how you know the last batch. So those ones are the last batch or the last set of the fish. So I hope you understand what we have just explained and the attributes to a part of the hatchery section. So thank you, and stay tuned also as we come back in our next tutorial. Thank you for choosing Grantskills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.